Lion OT139 oil treatment seals worn rings and improves engine compression, prevents oil breakdown and thinning at high temperatures, helps worn engines run quieter, and adds engine protection for older vehicles. First, start the vehicle and let the engine idle. Then, locate the oil filler cap and remove. Followed by inserting a funnel to avoid spilling. Next, simply open the can lid by lifting the tab and pulling back. Finally, add the product to your motor oil by pouring directly into the vehicle crankcase. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.